Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volvo XC60. This is a 2019 model, and I'm just going to show you the location of the fuse boxes and also the list of what the fuses are for. So I'm just going to film the list obviously, and you can pause the video and look at each fuse, what they're for. And also it says the ampere rating that they are, and sort of they are micro or mini fuses. This car has a fuse box in the engine bay or engine compartment, as it says there. It looks something like this. It also has some relays, but the relays are not really shown here what they're for. And well, this is where it starts. In this page it shows you fuse number 1 to 12, and number 1, 2 and 3 are actually not used. So depending on the car that you have, the model, and what features your car may have, you may have more fuses or less fuses. So fuses that are not in the fuse box doesn't mean they're missing, it just means that features are not available unless somebody removed them purposely. So that's our first page. There are some spare fuses as well. Let's have a look at the second page here, where it starts at number 13, and this goes down to fuse number 28. Then we have fuse between 29 and 44 there. And we still have some more here. Then we have fuses under the glove box, and it shows you there a picture of the glove box on this side. This car, it's a right-hand drive, so the glove box is on the other side, unlike in this picture, but it will be the same sort of fuse numberings. That's what it looks like, that's how they're numbered. And we can have a look at what they are for. And then we have fuses in cargo area. That's where they are supposed to be. It says on the inside of the cover There are tweezers as well that facilitate the procedure. The central electrical unit is located on the right hand side, so we'll have a look at that as well, and then we can see what they're for. Okay, so now we can investigate where these fuses are. So we're gonna go to the ones under the bonnet first. So obviously you have to get your bonnet open, and then we're gonna come this way, and it's gonna be under here. So there are some clips that you need to press in order to get this fuse box open. And in there are your fuses and a few relays. There's a little key for replacing fuses. In my previous video I changed a fuse number 15 here, which was for the 12-volt charging socket, so that's why that one is missing. But I'm pretty sure I have loads of little fuses that I'm just going to refit before I forget. But I don't have a micro one, so these are very little micro fuses, so I would want to, I may have one somewhere, but anyway, for now let's concentrate on the video. So this is the fuse box, the engine bay. Now we're gonna have a look at the ones that are supposed to be in the passenger side. Okay, I was just getting my light here, but in order to access the fuses that are sitting in this panel, they're gonna be sitting behind this bit of carpet there. So we need to remove this cover here, and that cover sort of pops up. It literally pulls out, and it may sound like you're breaking something. It's not kind of breaking, but it is it's unplugging from there. So these metal clips here unplug, and this comes out. And once that comes out, if I can get my light here, if we open this carpet a little bit, we're gonna find this cover, and behind that cover is where the fuses are, which looks like this cover was a bit loose already. But anyway, let's take that out, and we can sort of try to wiggle this cover out of here. It clearly needs to swing. I can see it's got like little hooks here, so it needs to swing. I'm gonna try to do that with my two hands. Okay, yes, just push this down and it will swing out, and that's where the fuses are. And that's the cover. There's some tweezers there as well to get to the fuses. And obviously you have the fuse list, and they are numbered as well. You can see, just about see the little numbers there. So now I'm gonna fit this back, replug all these, and I'll show you the ones at the back. Right, fuses at the back. If you open the back hatch and you come to the right hand side here, if you pull this rubber open a little bit, you'll be able to get your fingers in here and pull this out. Again, this is just plugged in there. So you can unplug it, bring it out a little bit. It would probably be easier if you remove this out. If you take it out, then this might open a little bit more. But I just want to show you where the fuses are, and they are in there behind this cover here. So if you take that cover out, it comes out very easily as well. Just have to press on the little, on that clip there, and it will come out. There are some tweezers there as well, and that's where the fuses are. And one relay. So there isn't many fuses there, it's just a few. And again, it'll probably be dependent on what sort of equipment you have in the car. So not all the fuses are available if you haven't got certain things. And that's pretty much it really. So now I'm going to fit this cover back in there, and then just plug that back in. And so having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.